Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So we are still sideways. These two levels here, which are weekly levels, and I'll give them to you now. It's 106.336 to the upside and 105.175 to the downside. We are above and below the moving averages here, so this is sideways. No real indication that we need to be buying or selling here. When we get down to the 3 hour, nothing really changes. For the week we had a break up and now we're back below. Oscillators of groups to the downside and pointing up, so you would expect this move to continue. Also a bit of a break of a channel here. I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it, any of the price action that I'm seeing on any of the markets I trade right now. We could see here on the hour a rejection of this zone here. So a wise way of doing this would be just treat that as a mini range, and if we see it above this and find support, you have an opportunity to the upside, and you're going to be targeting pretty much, I'm going to be very conservative here, but you're going to be targeting this zone here, which is around 105.952. But if we look at this on the 15 minute, it's going to be a bit clearer. Yesterday was big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. We are above the moving averages here. So that's why I say, you know, if you're looking for a half decent trade, you want to break and retest here. You've got a fairly decent stop loss of 179 points, and you are targeting 250 points. So let's just call it a one-to-one trade. That's kind of the setup that we have here at the moment. But the bigger picture is sideways. It is not something that you really want to be trading. Could be a mini trend reversal here, but it's going, if you look at it on the 8 hours, it's really going to be capped by this level here, and then the next level to the upside as well. Okay, so I am of the opinion to stay out of this. I don't really want to be scalping. I want bigger moves like we've had for quite some time here. Okay, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Enjoy your weekend. Cheers for now.